How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram name. So the first thing you do is open up the Instagram app and come to your profile. Select the three horizontal lines in the top right. Come to the account center. Choose your profile. And choose your Instagram profile. Here it'll bring up this menu, name, username. Press name. And type in the name. As you can see below, it says you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So make sure you spell it correctly and press done. And then save. And if you come back into the profile, you'll see that it's changed. So that's how you change your name on Instagram. Thank you.